Hello, I'm Jeff Gordon. I'm going to talk to you just briefly about business insurance basics today and try to sort out some of the differences between types of business insurance that are common today. The first part of any business insurance program is what we call a property and liability. Typically it is a single policy, sometimes called a BOP or a business owner's policy or a package policy. The reason it's called a package policy is because it packages property insurance with liability. What's property insurance? For lack of a better term, it's your stuff. It's inventory, it's desks, it is anything that you sell or anything that you need in your office or in your operation. So it is your business stuff. Liability is if something goes wrong and you get sued. A customer comes onto your premises and slips and falls, or if you sell a product that hurts a customer, that would be products liability. So these are the core of most insurance policies for most businesses. Next, workers' compensation. Workers' compensation is a social contract between employers and employees that basically says, the employer says, if you come work for me and you get hurt on the job, we'll take care of your medical expenses as well as lost wages. And this is all driven by states. So workers' compensation is what we call statutory, meaning the actual benefits are determined not by the insurance company, but by the state in which the accident may occur, or where the business is typically. Massachusetts statutory workers' compensation is a little different from Rhode Island, which is a little different from New Hampshire, so each state has their own workers' compensation. And then other types of insurance that are common today, depending on what you do, professional liability or errors and omissions. We call it E&O in our business. Errors and omissions is if we make a mistake that ends up harming you, that is an error and people can sue for professional liability. Very common in the legal profession. Medical malpractice is a form of professional liability for doctors and other professionals, engineers, carry it, architects, and so forth. Directors and officers is to protect directors and officers for business decisions that they may make about the company. And then finally, employment practices liability. The acronym is EPLI, Employment Practice Liability Insurance, is in case you fire somebody and they come after you and says discrimination or some other allegation. These are the business insurance basics. For more on your business insurance and make sure that you are paying the right amount for your insurance, not too much, but have the right coverage, look to Gordon Insurance. Go visit agordon.com on the web. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.